Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all? Today we are going to read the second letter of our literacy, that is letter G.
Letter E. Letter E.
Yes, letter G. Let's sing along with this. I like to eat greens and grapes. I like to eat greens and grapes. I like to eat greens and grapes. G, 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 g. Sound of letter G is G. G. All of you repeat after me. G. 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 Now I will tell you that how to trace letter G. Okay? Yes. Firstly, you all have to make a curve. Okay? Yes. Then a standing line, sleeping line, and once again a standing line. This makes the letter G. Yes. Yes, can you see the letter G? Yes. Now, all of you raise your two fingers. Yes. Raise your two fingers, all of you. Firstly, you have to make a curve. Then a standing line, sleeping line. Then once again a standing line. This makes the letter G. Oh. Sound of the letter G makes ga, ga. For goose. Ga, ga, grapes. Ga, ga, gorilla. Ga, ga, grasshopper. Is a girl. Ga, ga, girl. Is a goat. Ga, ga, goat. This is grass. Ga, ga, grass. This is a gift. Ga, ga, gift. This is a glass. Ga, ga, glass. Okay, very